Hello together, my name is Simon and I want to introduce you my program which I designed for the CS50 course, and this is my final project. It's a part of my idea to create an home management system. It's called Jarvis. At the end, Jarvis should be able to manage my smart home and do pretty much other interesting stuff. One of these things is managing my stock hold for food and yeah, I don't know what else, but we started with food. Because there's always a problem at home that me and my wife don't really know what do we have in stock, or do we have to go and buy something. So first of all, the program is separated in two little Python programs and a database. First of all, there's one Küchenplaner underline GUI, also Kitchen Planner underline GUI. This is the graphical user interface where you can interact with the program. For the graphic user interface, I decided to use tkinter. It's a Python integrated package for user interfaces, which works even with Windows and Linux. So it's pretty good for stuff like that, I think, and for beginners also very easy to use. Then I have the SQL3 database and the SQL package. So there is the main window, which is defined here with some buttons and labels and stuff you will see later, and two little sub functions, refresh and consume. Refresh is the overview of the database, so you can see the values in the database. But the graphical, I don't know really how to show it, so it's not fine yet, but I have to do it better. I don't know how now, so I'm not proud of it right now. But the second one is consume, so I consume one portion of food. It's basically an update statement which gathers some information and then just updates the dataset with a new value. Then there's another window, another function. It's called insert window. Due to development, this name is not really all what it does, but first it should only insert, now it also does an update. Here pretty much the same, a lot of text fields and buttons and stuff which do different things, I show you later. And also at the end a try and except block which checks if a dataset is already there, and I just have to change the value of how much do I have. So here it is an except block which then does an update instead of an insert. Then we have here some buttons, a refresh button and we see later a delete button for the category, and a product delete button which deletes datasets from the database. But this is all just a few variables and buttons and stuff. The real work on the database is done by the second program, the SQL program, which is always called from the Küchenplaner GUI. There I have an insert, update, delete, and select function. I tried to keep it as global as possible, so I can use it again and again and again, and just give the values like columns, return types, where and order bys, or the tables, just hand it over. So I don't always have to do a new insert, a new update table program. Oh, that's not true. So, okay. Now I show you how it looks. This is the overview. I already told you that the design, how I present the data, is not fine yet. I have to rework it, but first of all, you can see stuff. You can't really read it, but you can see it. And sorry, the program is from German. I'm from Germany, so yeah, I write it in German, sorry. This is the insert. This button opens this insert value function, and there I can insert a new data set. Just something's a little buggy after all, but it works. Now I can insert maybe some meat. This category meat. So any meat can I do here. The Einheit is gram. Also how much is one portion? Is in the value gram, and I would say one portion in 250 gram is one portion meat per person, or one portion you can consume. So you can do math after all. The name is maybe what do we have? Steak. We have a steak. So meat, we can here say it's cow, and we have steak, and we have maybe 1 kilo. It's a bit weird. I do have to, this is the overall value from the product steak, and there is an EAN, as a unique number. Maybe I just 2149, and now I have another value, which also the value how much I have. This is because I can have the steak. I can have it in the refrigerator, or just in the yeah, it's okay. Steak is a bad thing for it, but it's just now needable to both. I don't know why. I have to rework it, but I don't know how to use it how to rework it so it fits. Very difficult to explain in English for me, sorry. So now I can insert my new product when I quit and refresh. This is a refresh button. You can see here a new data set. Now if I want to, I can take one data set as maybe Kartoffel, it's potato, and then I don't want it anymore, so I can delete the whole category. when I refresh now, it's not gone. Ah, there's a little bug. Okay, I can fix it. I fix it. Just the log I recently added is a bit buggy, so that's no problem. It's fixed now. So now it works. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Good. If I just want to delete not the whole category noodle, I just want to delete the linguini because I don't have any linguinis anymore, and I don't anytime want to have it back, so I can delete only the product. Hope that works. Yeah, now, yeah. And now you see noodle, I just have nothing. I just have the category and then nothing else. Everything is none. Okay. This is my little program. I will upload it now for you. And I hope it's okay. I hope it's enough. It was a lot of hard work for me to design it. Even it's buggy, still a bit buggy, and not everything is fine. I will keep updating it and make it better. Thank you and goodbye.